I'm old.
Oh.
All right. I remember the early days of QVC, you could only place an order by phone, right?
Do you have that black one on the wall with the cord? You can only go as far. Oh, sorry.
Well, it was
A little squiggly cord.
it was cream colored.
Cream.
In my kitchen.
Oh, well, you were fancy. We had black. I'm just saying.
It was pretty fancy. I will tell you, we have brand new matching ramekins, a two-piece set.
Are these not fabulous?
Look at
8
this.
ounces in capacity. Absolutely stunning. Let me tell you how new these are. These are the only 2 that we have. That's it. That's why there's no more on the table.
That's why there's none on the table that are styled, because we only got 2 pieces in. They're
Yes.
so stinking brand new.
That's how brand new they are.
But they match the nostalgic summer theme exactly. You'll notice it's like if this bowl had a baby, this would be it.
Look at this whole collection.
Look at the
David.
babies.
Right? I mean,
And look at the whole collection.
Look how beautiful this all is together. And I think, I added it up. I
Love.
think it's like $77 and change for everything. And you are
And
set
you're going to keep
for
it
the
forever.
summer.
It's super
Yes.
thick too. This is thick. These are thick.
Yes.
You're going to pick this up and you're going to be like, wow.
Yes.
Such
Wait,
heft to these.
I just thought of an idea.
What you got?
You fill this with ice, fill your bowl with ice,
Right.
right? Put this in the middle with cocktail sauce and fan your shrimp out along
Beautiful.
the sides.
Beautiful.
Wouldn't that be so cute?
Beautiful idea. You could also
at
bake
that.
a spinach artichoke dip in here and then put it in the middle of a platter with toasted pita chips.
I love it. And by the way, you could get 2 flameless candles, put this on your table, and this could be your candle holder. Okay, you're next. What's your idea?
My. You could put fruit dip in here and cut up summer fruits and put them out on a platter and use it for dipping.
I love that. Oh, or these could be for your bar. How do you like this for your Cosmos? You could like cut up, maybe some
do.
special little things and put it around your bar. There's so many things you could do with this. And these are oven safe also to 500 degrees.
1,000 of these are gone now. I want you to hear something. Listen how thick these are.
Yes.
Look how thick they are. This is not the kind of piece of stoneware that you have to baby and be very gentle with. Bang it around, put it in the... Here, these
Put it
go
through
to
the
dishwasher.
paces.
These can go through the dishwasher.
That's right.
Now,
Oven safe to
if
500.
you go to the second floor of your home and throw it out on the asphalt,
Don't do that.
it's probably going to break.
Yeah.
But if you just, boom, slam blam these around and you pop it on the table with dip and drink garnishes.
Yes.
Or you pop it in the oven, it can go up to 500 degrees, even
I
under the
love
broiler.
this. Yeah, and remember, this is our nostalgic summer pattern. We're not bringing it back. All we have is what we have. This is what you've known and collected for 21 years, and it's back. But we do not know that this will be back again.
I would like to think it will come back, but you know what? Terra retires pieces for a reason.
Sure.
And on rare occasions do they come out of retirement,
Yes.
and we reintroduce an old pattern. You had to go digging into the archives for this one. And this is one, I remember when it first came on the air and I fell in love with it. I bought it, and then Tara was like, oh my goodness, you really like it? I said, I love it. Are you kidding? It's just everything I love about the beach.
Yes.
And everything I love about the shore and spending time. Now, these are the 2 ramekins, $18.50. How many of these are gone, Brian? 1,300 sets of Rammies are gone.
Got
That's
it.
what Tara calls them Rammies.
Rammies.
And these are going to have the little starfish inside, beautiful pattern on the outside, and those shell designs go all the way around, and then the
Stunning.
lattice work down below, just like the big bowl, like the Big Brother bowl.
Yes.
These are fantastic. Don't miss out on these. Brian, I don't have an internal clock. Are we done? We're done. Lisa Lasort.
So nice to see you.
Always a pleasure, my darling.
I know, you too.
Nice
Great
to see you, Angel. Thank you for being here. Steve, I call him Big Bite Steve. Because he takes big bites of everything that he eats. Lucky.
He's certainly